A sharp blade leads to soft snow, which leads to good shaved ice, which leads to smiling customers, which leads to happiness, which leads to world peace. So together, let's change our blades for a better world.
We recommend you change your blade at least every 2,000 servings. To change the blade, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a new blade. First, undo the screws on the bottom of the blade. Once the screws are undone, the blade and blade support will fall right out. Pay attention to how the blade and blade support are oriented. The blade always sits with the beveled edge up, and the blade support lays flat on the bottom side of the blade. Switch your old blade with a new one, then put it back under the shaving disc as you found it and screw it in. The alignment of the blade is very important so the ice blocks shave evenly. The blade should be parallel with the shaving disc. If the blade is slanted up in the middle or on the outside, it will shave your ice into a slanted block. A way to check for alignment is to crank the blade up to the level of the shaving disc and very lightly with your finger check if the blade is level with the disc. If your blade is misaligned, loosen the screws below and move the blade till aligned. Using soft tempered ice and having the blade adjusted to the right height when shaving will extend the life of your blade. Replacing the blade is a continual part of maintenance on the machine. You can count servings to know when to replace the blade, or when it feels like the machine is fighting against the ice, it's time to replace the blade. Happy shaving.